I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper of the day. It's Monday. It is August 11th. And what a comeback from the SPY from early this morning. Yeah, it took a little bit of a dip if you were up. I know most of you are probably sleeping. But I was up and I watched it come back. I'm also watching this 61.8% fib extension. The golden ratio. Yeah, it's about 640. We've been testing it for quite a couple of weeks now. You know, are we going to go above it? Well, that's the bigger picture, but we'll definitely be watching that. But in the smaller picture, all right, we're going to be bullish above 638 and 75 cents. All right, I picked a weird level today because I had to. That was only where the pocket was. Yeah, 639.33. We could use 639.50. That's another level. 640.09 is R2. So you'd have to go, there's a huge pocket above there. So that would be another entry above that level. All right, bear below 636 for the retrace. Back down. All right, let's go over to the IWM. I do spend a lot of time on the SPY because I know most people do trade it. The IWM was interesting. It was the strongest this morning when the SPY and the Qs were down. The Russell was up, but now it's all reversed. It's almost there. Yeah, it's interesting the way they're trading. Bullish above 222.50. That would be a breakout of this channel that we've been going up, down. We'll see. Bearish below 219.50. I picked that level because I wanted to go below the recent largest dark pool Levi print at 219.55. All right, let's head on over to the Qs. Bullish above 576.25. We're still good there. Bear below 573. Let's check out the futures. We'll start with the E-minis, bullish above 64.25. That just triggered. 64.2750 would be my next level. Bear below 64.05. Next, we've got the NASDAQ futures, bullish above 23,750. We're there. Yep, we are literally testing that right now. 23,825 would be our next level. It's not great though. We have a pivot at 838 and we have another pivot at 854. Like above R1 would be the next bigger pocket there. So a little bit tough. Bear below 23,650. Let's check out oil futures. We got bullish above 64.06. Up, that already triggered. Looked really good this morning. I guess we could use 64.50 is going to be our next level. All right, we're doing that retracement trade to the 8 EMA on the daily chart. So there's another trade there. All right, bear below 62.80. Let's check out gold futures. Yep, taking a dip. Kind of upthrusted at that 3,500 level. You know, is it going to come back all the way down or is it going to bounce here? It is Monday. Remember, we always have a fake out on Mondays. Bullish above 34.50, bear below 3,400 for the day trade. Let's go to Bitcoin, which gapped up and is now pulled back a little bit here. Yeah, bullish above 122,500, bear below 121,500. The retrace trade already triggered. 120,000 would be my next level. Maybe 120,500. Yeah, let me just check out this 5-minute chart. Yeah, below this purple moving average, which is the 250 exponential, we call that the jelly. Yeah, and you know, look how it bounced off of it. So if we go below that jelly, then there's this trade or there's this trade. Okay, so should be an interesting day. Let's get to the regular stocks. SOUN. So super hot on Friday. It's hot today. A lot of pre-market volume. And we're going to be bullish above 14. We did get a dark pull print there. We had massive prints in that 1058 area to 1065, if you recall, before earnings. And maybe some profit taking occurred at 14. We're going to be bullish above it. And then bear below 13. There's a nice retrace trade down to the 4 EMA, or we're going to be bullish up here. This is kind of my no trading zone. Let's go to NVIDIA. I know there's some news on NVIDIA and AMD, so we're just going to trade them. Bullish above 182.50, bear below 180.50. And then AMD, we're going to be bullish above 172.50, bear below 168. We got AI, bullish above 16.50, bear below 15.50, and that just triggered. Let's see, down to 15. All right, bear below 15. 1446, believe it or not, is S10. I did the calculations to get there. Yeah, really getting crushed. All right, guess there's better AI stocks out there, huh? IBIT, bullish above 69, bear below 68. We're still good. We got Ethereum, Trust, Grayscale, bullish above 35.25, bear below 34.50. That's still looking good. And then we have Tesla. Look at Tesla breaking out, trying to break out of this trend here. Quietly, it feels like. Bullish above 335 just triggered. So 335.50 would be our next level. That just triggered. 336.25 is our next really good level. Bear below 332. Then we got NEO, which is also sneaking up. Bullish above 5, bear below 462. And then I really liked Coinbase, bullish above 325 or bear below 320. Then we got SM. CI, wild moves last week. Bullish above 45.50, bear below 43.50. And there you have it. Those are your whispers for Monday, August 11th. Until next time, come and join us. Check out our interactive trading rooms. Go to thedarkpools.com. Come trade with us. Happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret.